Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Plug the USB-C cable into the Honor wireless charger and use a 5V/2A or 9V/2A adapter to get proper power. Once the charger shows its LED, remove bulky cases over 3mm so the coil aligns closely. Place the charger on a flat, stable surface away from metal objects to prevent interference. Make sure your phone's wireless charging is enabled in settings. You'll know it's ready when once done with setup, place your phone directly over the charger's center. You may need a small forward or backward shift to find the coil sweet spot. You'll see the charging icon and the charger LED should stay steady. This confirms energy transfer. If you notice moderate warmth, that's normal. The phone or charger will throttle power to protect battery. Make sure the phone isn't stacked with cards or keys, and leave space for airflow to maintain efficient charging. To finish, remove the phone when it reaches full charge or after 2 to 3 hours to reduce battery stress. Unplug the charger if unused. If charging fails, first make sure the cable and adapter are functioning and that the phone is centered with no thick case. Once you've verified those, restart your phone to clear software blocks and try a different adapter or cable. If problems persist, test another Kai device to pinpoint whether the charger or phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.